We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
My name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother HL3075. We're going to show you how to replace the drums and reset the drum counter to get rid of the replace drum error message on the screen. It's a pretty simple process. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure the printer's on and running. And then once it's in ready state, you're going to open the top of the printer. And then for whichever color drum that you're getting the error message for, you're going to want to remove that toner and drum together. So in this case it's the yellow. So you see the toner and drum actually come out in one piece. And then we need to separate the toner from the drum. And it's a really simple process right here on the front of the cartridge. There's this little green tab. Just going to push down on that and lift and separate the toner from the drum. So once you have your new drum, you're just going to install your toner back into your new drum, making sure it clicks firmly into place. And then anytime you change a toner or a drum, I highly recommend using this little green tab at the top of the drum and sliding it along the full length of the drum at least 2 or 3 times. But it's very important that this little tab always winds up in the same place it started with. You should be able to know exactly where that's at. There should be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. You don't want to leave this somewhere else that's going to cause print defects. So please make sure this winds up back where it's supposed to go and it's nice and firmly seated. Once you've done that, then you can replace your drum and toner back into the printer. And you're going to repeat that process for any and all drums that need to be replaced. We'll go ahead and close the top of the printer and give it a second to initialize. And then what you're going to do is use the up and down keys, and you're going to find where it says machine info on your screen. So go down until you select machine info, hit OK. Then you're going to scroll down until you see reset parts life. Once you find reset parts life, hit OK again. Now you're going to go down to where it says reset drum. So find that option, hit OK one more time. And now it's going to list all the different colors of your drum. So you're going to go down, in this case, to find the yellow drum. Once you find the yellow drum, hit OK. It's going to ask you, do you want to replace this drum? Hit OK one more time. And just like that, you've replaced your drum and reset your drum counter. And again, you want to repeat that process for any and all drums that need. Other than that, you should be good to go. Back up printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.